Alright, hey guys, back in the 2021 Tacoma. Got the owner of the vehicle here with me. We actually just swapped out the head unit because he didn't like how small the other one was. I want to let you guys know the DMH-WT7600NEX Pioneer unit fits the opening perfect. No modification to the outer bezel. You will have to have some fun modifying the bracket. Go ahead and try it. Turned out awesome. Thanks, guys. There you guys go, backup camera, got the floor view. And then the buttons on the left side of the dash still work too. Go ahead and hit that button. So it pops up, go ahead and change view again. So you guys can change the view and everything for you. Only thing that sucks is you gotta drive 5 miles per hour to get out of it. So here you guys go.